give you a free sample of the 20 beers that I have on tap? That's what I said, young man. Isn't this your job? Well, my job is to sell the beer, not to give it all out for free. Tell you what, I'm gonna go help a couple other customers. The bar had become pretty full of unserved customers at this point, and I didn't want this shrew monopolizing all my time. You take a look at the menu, and I'd be more than happy to grab a couple samples for you in a couple minutes. I started to walk away, and this woman snaps her fingers in my face. PSA to all my bar patrons out there, please do not do this. Most tenders hate it, and will make it a point that you don't get helped as often as other customers. It is very rude. Get back here, young man! You haven't helped us at all! You are a small business, and you need support from your locals. I said I want to sample what you have to offer, and you are obligated to do so. So, chop. No. Excuse me?
Don't tell me you control it. Numpads.
Hold up. Oh. Sir, computer's being a shit.
Jeez, man, why are you gonna run Longhood forward now?
Look, I think this is all the stuff we should do. Besides TV Piggy, I don't think we should add anything else to this train. I agree.
Yeah, I'm already dropping at like 7 frames per second.
I have 4.
Yeah, exactly. If the server doesn't die, your frame rate will. Yeah, you can.
When I get closer to the fuck time, the Tom fuckery, I don't lag, but oh my god, there goes half of the
Picture being taken.
Oh, that was
I
so
hope
close.
there was FBD on that. Good. Okay, so I think his unit might have just fucked himself. Alright, yeah, we get definitely
That's
get
why
more
we
here.
have FBD here.
Oh
No,
my god.
don't leave yet, don't leave yet!
Not
Okay,
yet,
Mom,
not
let's
yet,
go.
you forgot all.
What now? What? Give me everyone disable collisions on your cars. Just in case. Aww. No wheels.
Oh my god, my frame rate is dropping so hard. It's dropping harder than Hiroshima.
Yeah, maybe we should not do this.
How rich?
Way too laggy.
Actually, no, they're dropping harder than my math grades.
Yeah, this is too laggy. Look,
Let's
let's not do this. No more new trains, okay? Okay.
Alright, blue engine right in front of me, you're gonna have to log out. Shit, never mind, I'm in reverse. Fuck.
I think I'll just leave my thing here for those who want it.
And yes, I do control my headlights with the up and down arrows.
Do your balls hang low? Do you tie into the knot?
Yeah, see, that's how advanced this thing is.
How about we just have a long train that literally gives me less lag for some apparent reason?
How's that now? Shit.
You guys know it said stop with the parade. Then you gotta delete it.
Yeah, if everyone votes
the
yes.
server vote.
CSX, you are highballing that shit.
I know!
So
Shut up!
that means delete your stuff.
That's a fender bender.
Save it.
Surprisingly, I recorded the entire thing and I managed to get a good shot. Even though it was thumped so hard.
Congratulations.
Not talking to you.
So yeah, I can control the headlights with the arrow keys. It's actually really our combination. Oh my shit! No.
You just yeeted into the wrong yard, bitch.
Yeah, well.
Point protection going ahead, over.
Oh god, lag.
Whoops.
Oh shit, pulling the emergency! Wait, where's this person that's supposed to be helping?
Yeah, you just killed me, by the way.
I tried. I actually tried doing a jazz lock unit once. It was hard. I couldn't even... I actually wouldn't recommend it if you're not into that